How to Convert an Amazon Kindle Book to PDF, 2026 Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to read your Kindle books more flexibly in 2026, this video covers all the official and completely legal ways to access your Kindle content across different devices and formats. Let's get into it. Option 1. Read on any device with the free Kindle app. The easiest official solution is downloading the free Kindle app. Amazon offers Kindle apps for iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac completely free. You do not need a physical Kindle device at all. Just download the app, sign into your Amazon account, and your entire Kindle library syncs automatically. Read your books on any device without needing to convert anything. Option 2. Use Amazon Send to Kindle. Amazon has an official Send to Kindle feature that lets you send personal documents and compatible files directly to your Kindle library. Go to Amazon.com. Navigate to manage your content and devices, and use the Send to Kindle option to move your own personal documents into your reading ecosystem officially and legally. Option 3. Read in your browser with Kindle Cloud Reader. Did you know you can read your Kindle books directly in a web browser without installing anything? Go to readamazon.com and sign into your Amazon account. Your entire Kindle library is accessible right there in the browser. This works on any computer and gives you a clean reading experience without needing any conversion. Option 4. Check if the publisher offers PDF versions. Many publishers and authors sell DRM-free versions of their books directly through their own websites. Platforms like Humble Bundle, Smashwords, and Bean Books regularly sell ebooks in multiple formats, including PDF, with no restrictions attached. If you want a specific book in PDF format, check these platforms first, as you may find it available there legitimately. Option 5. Look for free books on Project Gutenberg if you're looking for classic literature and older titles. Project Gutenberg at Gutenberg.org offers over 60,000 completely free public domain ebooks in multiple formats, including PDF and EPUB. Entirely legal, entirely free, and no conversion needed whatsoever. Option 6. Contact the publisher directly if you have a legitimate accessibility need and require a book in a specific format. Contact the publisher directly and explain your situation. Many publishers have accessibility programs and can provide alternative formats for readers with genuine needs. This is always worth trying before assuming there is no official path forward. And those are all the official, legitimate ways to access your Kindle content flexibly in 2026. Use the free Kindle app, Cloud Reader, Send to Kindle, or look for DRM-free versions on platforms that sell them. All completely legal and all genuinely useful. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.